Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Skill 54. This skill is about extracting data. Your goal is simple: get the raw data out of a source system and into your analysis environment so you can work on it. There are three main sources you need to master. First, databases for internal records. Second, API for talking to other applications. And third, files and open data for everything else. The key to success here is creating a clear extraction plan before you start. Here is your technical cheat sheet. If your source is a database, your tool is SQL. Your primary command will be select. If your source is a web service, your tool is likely an API request using a Python script. You will receive data back in JSON format. If your source is a file, like a CSV from a government site, your tool is the Pandas library in Python. The command is simply read_cs versus memorize these three pairings. Here is how to apply this at work. Before you start your next ticket, write a one-page data sourcing plan. List every ingredient you need to answer the business question. Then, map a specific method to each one. Write down, for sales data, I will use a SQL query. For weather data, I will use an API call. Doing this upfront prevents the frustration of getting halfway through an analysis only to realize you cannot access a critical piece of information. For your portfolio, use this STARR structure. Situation: I needed to analyze the impact of weather on sales. Task: I had to acquire data from disparate systems. Action: I demonstrated S54. I wrote a SQL query to extract internal sales records. I then wrote a Python script to call a weather API. I merged these datasets using Pandas. Result: a unified dataset ready for insight. Reflection: I learned that using API scripts is more repeatable than manual downloads. If you are doing your major project, this skill belongs in your Data Methodology chapter. Do not just analyze the data, prove how you got it. Include screenshots of the SQL code or Python scripts you used. Document exactly where each dataset came from. This provides the evidence that you didn't just passively receive a spreadsheet, but actively and technically extracted the data yourself. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices just like you who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.